Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys there's no probably about it, these are definitely the best booking.com promo codes. So booking.com, guys, is I'm sure you know what it is if you're watching this video. You can book hotel stays, basically your holidays and vacations on there. And I've managed to find possibly the best booking.com discount codes. And basically the purpose of this video is I'm going to be showing you guys how to get them. So I'm going to be recording my mobile phone screen and running through these steps. So just make sure you pay attention, guys, and follow the same steps that I'm going to show you. Yo guys, welcome back. I'm going to be showing you today how to get booking.com promo codes. Pretty easy, so you just need to follow the instructions. So you got to go to this website on your mobile phone, www.wavycoupons.com. so wavy coupons, you need to go to this website here. Pretty cool website, guys. If you haven't seen these before, you can see they have tons and tons of different pages. Go to the search bar at the top where it says get wavy and save, search below. Search for booking, and you're basically looking for this booking.com's coupon and deals page. So I'm going to open that page up. You can recognize it by the logo, and you can see there are two different codes that you can choose, two different booking.com promo codes. You got a $200 off your next booking code and also a 50% off code. So obviously, guys, you just got to calculate which one's going to be more beneficial for you. If you're doing a larger cost booking, obviously the 50% off could work out better. So just click on show coupon for the code you want, and you can see we need to unlock our promo code for booking.com. Obviously these are pretty desirable codes, so this just prevents someone from stealing them. So all you need to do, guys, I'm not going to go through the full process, but you just need to tap unlock code, and then you're going to see a new screen pop up once this completes. And yeah, it's going to give you a set of instructions telling you exactly how to unlock your code. It takes around 5 minutes, and of course it's completely free. Just follow through the instructions, and yeah, it's going to reveal your code. I've been using this for the past few bookings, and it saved me a bunch of money. So yeah, if you've been looking for promo code, guys, you know that they're pretty difficult to find. So let me just type booking.com promo codes, and you're going to be aware that there aren't many booking.com codes worth using. They save you very little generally, such as 10%, if that. So yeah, these are definitely the best codes available for booking.com. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Go to wavycoupons.com, and yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, if you found this useful. And yeah, go ahead and get your booking.com codes. Peace.